So I got my water filled up about quarter of the way up. I'm going to put my oil, fill the rest of it up. Now I'm going to add my food coloring. Take my Alka-Seltzer tablets. And how this works is that the water and the oil do not mix, because water is polar and the oil is non-polar. Also, the water is more dense than oil, so it's heavier, so that's why it sinks to the bottom and the oil sits on the top. So when we put the Alka-Seltzer in there, it reacts with the water, creating CO2, which are the bubbles that are rising up. The CO2 bubbles attach to the colored liquids and float to the top, where the bubbles then pop. And the reason they float to the top is because they're less dense than the oil. So when they pop, the food coloring water will float back down to where it will get picked up again by the CO2 bubbles, and this will continue till all the Alka-Seltzer is used up, which is the limiting reactant in this experiment. And that's my explanation.